Hello guys, how are you? And welcome to the second challenge. We are doing second challenge of this series, and in this video we will do we will sum the digits of a number. So it is pretty similar to the previous. We counted the digits in a number in the previous challenge, and in this challenge we will sum the digits. We will get a sum of digits a number contains. Okay. Let me explain it more precisely. You will have a number and you will find the sum of its digits. For example, let's say you have 123, 123, okay? And what you will do, you will iterate through this number and you will get the numbers and you will keep summing them. What this problem teaches you? Breaking a number digit by digit. So this problem will teach you breaking the number digit by digit. So you will iterate the number and you will keep breaking that each number on each iteration, and you will use the modulus operator here and the division operator. In the last video, in the last challenge, we did only division operator. Okay. Looping with numbers, that's normal, and then what we are doing here, and how numbers are processed internally, and you will learn how to process the number internally, algorithm thinking, and without shortcuts. No shortcut. You will think like you are using a pure algorithm here. The core idea here to process digit in a number, you will first divide using modular operator, which means you will extract the last digit, okay, and then you will divide uh, the number, or which means you will remove the last digit by doing this method floor and number divided by 10. We repeatedly extract and remove the digits until the number becomes zero. So you will use a while loop and you will iterate through the number until the number becomes zero. So let's do it. And one more thing that we will use both approach here, the two approaches. We will use a function as well, okay? And we will use the direct code here without function, non-functional and a functional approach. We will do it here. Let's start first with the non-functional approach. So let's what you will have. You will have a number, okay? Number anything, any number, and you will have a variable sum initialized with zero. While num is greater than zero, number जब तक I mean when while you have number greater than zero, you have to iterating. You have to keep iterating, and you have to do the things the main logic. For example, you will get the digit first, and the first thing you need to do is extract the last digit. So let digit is equal to num modulus 10. So what you get here, you get the last digit. For example, you have number 145 and you use modulus operator divided by 10 and you get 4. Now what you have to do, you have to add this digit into sum. Sum is equal to sum plus digit. Now what you have to do, next thing, you have to remove the last digit. So how do you remove the last digit? You get the left portion of the number and you assign it to the number. So number is being reassigned. Num is equal to math.floor num divided by 10. Sorry. Now I hope it solves the problem and we get some. I think. Let me check it. Console it. Sum, and we are using the node JS environment to run the JavaScript code. Okay, so node We have this file name, some digits. Yes, is it okay? I think it's correct. 156, 1 plus 5 6, and plus 4 is equal to 10. Now let's try a different number. 6 5 6 5 11 6 and then 17 plus 3 20 and plus 5 25. Do we get 25? Yes, 25. Okay, what if number is 0? If 0 is 0, it doesn't have any logic. It's 0 then 0. What if I have a negative number? It's even 0. So what you can do, if you are getting the negative number, then you can write some line of code or a single line of code. You can return anything like if number is less than 0, you can return any number, anything like please provide a positive number. Now let's do now with the function. Okay, let it be right like this. Function, let's create a function. Sum of digit, sum of digit, some digits. You will get a number. Okay, and the same thing, you will have a sum variable assigned with 0, initiated with 0. Now what you will do, you will go through the number until number becomes 0, and you get this digit, that digit. Or we can do something as like sum is equal to sum plus num modulus 10. It is the same way. Okay, we are doing it in a single line. While last in the previous method, what we did, we created a variable and assigned to it. Now we are doing in a single line, in the same line of the sum. Now let's remove the digit. Num is equal to num plus math dot floor num divided by 10. Now console this. No, we need to return some digit. Let's say we have 5 4 10 and plus 5 15. Hope we will get the 15. No, sorry, it's 14. 5 4 5 plus 4 9 and plus 5 14. Okay, we have done it, and this is our second problem. Hope you understand it well. Please subscribe to my channel, and your help will motivate me to create more contents, to solve more problems, more advanced problems in the future, in the coming videos. Please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.